Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to mask an image inside shapes in Affinity Designer. This technique is perfect for creating clean, professional designs where you want your images to fit precisely within specific shapes. Let's start by launching Affinity Designer on your computer. Once the program opens, you'll either work with an existing file or create a new one. Either option works perfectly fine for what we're about to do. Now direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll find various design tools. Look for and click on the rectangle tool. When you click it, you'll notice it actually gives you access to multiple shape options, not just rectangles. Go ahead and select your preferred shape from the options available. This could be a circle, triangle, or any other shape that suits your design needs. Once you've selected your shape, it's time to add it to your workspace. Simply drag the shape onto your canvas and position it where you want your masked image to appear. You can adjust the size as needed by dragging the corners or edges. This shape will serve as the container for your image, defining the exact area where your image will be visible. Here comes the key step that makes the magic happen. Look over to the right panel where you'll see your layers. Find the image you want to mask and click on it to select it. Now, drag this image layer directly above the shape layer you just created. The order of these layers is crucial because Affinity Designer uses layer hierarchy to create the masking effect. When you position the image above the shape in the layer panel, the software understands that you want the image to be confined within the boundaries of that shape. And there you have it. Your image is now masked inside the shape, creating a clean, professional look where only the portion of the image that fits within your chosen shape is visible. This technique is incredibly useful for creating thumbnails, profile pictures, design elements, or any project where you need precise control over how images are displayed. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.